Okay, so this is a quick screencast to show you how to create and complete the HumanGeo 4-point map project. So you're going to want to start with a new tab, and you're going to go to maps.google.com. Mine takes me to where I am. Yours may or may not, but it doesn't matter. You're going to use this menu up here on the top left. And you're going to click your places. And then there's a tab right here that says maps. You're going to click that. I have a bunch of maps from doing this project in the past, but you will click create map, and it should take you to something that looks a lot like this. So I've already done some of the work for this project. You are going to write 7 paragraphs, or you're going to write 6 new paragraphs. You already have the haiku for the 7th. I wrote an AP here about Norway, Maine, because I took a trip to Norway in Europe, but I grew up in the town of Norway, Maine. So I appreciate the connection there. So I'm going to type in Norway, Maine, and Google is going to take me there. I'm going to zoom into someplace more specific because especially when you get in, if you went to China or a big city, where the pin drops is not necessarily where you went. So it puts a pin here. But what you're going to do is go up here and click add a marker, and you just click where you'd like it to go. So this is the location of the house I grew up in, and I'm going to type in Norway, Maine. So I already have my paragraph written and my photo selected. So I'm just going to copy and paste the paragraph into here. I highly recommend writing your paragraph someplace else, not in the box, and then pasting it in. And the next thing you're going to do is add an image or video. So I've uploaded the pictures into my Google Drive. Let me just navigate there quickly. So this is my picture of Norway, Maine. So I've uploaded that. I click save. So that's pretty easy. So each of your entries, each of your 7 places should look like this. Picture, paragraph or haiku, and a waypoint on the map. Even though when you search for the place it gives you a pin, make sure that the pin that you're adding your paragraph and picture to is one that you add with this add marker tool. The next thing you want to do is share your map. So I've shared mine with Mr. Penley so he can give me some constructive feedback, give me a grade. You are going to share yours with your teacher. And that is basically it for putting together the map. It will be exciting when you have points all over the map. You can choose to, like I did a starting location, and then I'm going to add some points over in Norway where I visited. So it'll be fun to look at the map and see all the places that you guys went.